Let's learn how to use our SA705. First is the hardware installation. Then are the power cord, foot switch, the cover, USB drive and controller. We connect the power cord and the foot switch to the back of the controller. This is a USB drive used for storing data. Then install the cover above the controller. We install and secure it properly. We can export data by plugging the USB drive here. Turn on the power and start the machine. There are 4 buttons on the interface. From left to right, they are Start Experiment, History Record, Settings, Language Switch. Click the 4th button. We can switch languages, Chinese or English. Click the 3rd button. We can set the relevant information for the experiment. First, this is a fan. When it is turned on, it can help dissipate heat. Click again and it will turn off the fan. We have the heating modes. The first one can directly heat to the temperature we set. The second one is gradually heats up after we start the experimental. Here, we can set the heating speed. The speed gradually increases from top to bottom. Set the experimental speed here. Select the heating mode and the heating speed. Clicking on this icon, we can set the operation sound. The circular icons indicate the experiment status. Yellow represents standby, red indicates heating in progress, and green indicates heating has been completed. The items displayed at the bottom right corner are setting temperature, real-time temperature, environmental temperature and humidity. We can adjust the screen brightness. Click here to start the experiment. We can see that the instrument is heating up. Green indicates that the heating process is complete. Click here to start the experiment. Enter the experiment name. Place the animals in the activity cage. If the animals show a painful reaction, pressing the foot pedal switch will provide the experimental time and the corresponding temperature. Click here to delete the experimental data. The remaining data will be automatically saved. Then we begin the experiment using another mode. When the instrument reaches room temperature, turn off the fan and then click the 2nd button. Select the heating rate and set the temperature. We can see that there is no heating at this moment. Only when we enter the experimental interface and click Start will the heating process begin. Similarly, enter the name of the experiment. This model involves observing when the animals exhibit a painful reaction. Press the pedal to start heating. Record the time and temperature after the mouse shows the painful reaction. Click here to stop the experiment. We can view the experimental data here. The experiments can be deleted here. Turn the pages up and down. We can view the experiment records. Click here to export or delete the data. This is the operation of our SA705.